This kid is 1 year old and he can climb the rock wall like Spider-Man. No way this kid gets to the top of the wall.
Everybody needs to like this video right now, because if we hit 100,000 likes, I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free pair of new AIRPOD Pros. So make sure you go like and subscribe.
So today we'll be reviewing some videos that kids can climb walls like Spider-Man. It is crazy to believe that kids can even do this. Like, look at this kid climbing it like it's nothing. In this next video, this 3-year-old kid climbs a column inside a house. Comment down below if you guys could do this as a 3-year-old kid. This kid is 1 year old and he can climb the rock wall like Spider-Man. I'm not even sure how you're supposed to teach a kid this young to climb a wall this big. No way this kid gets to the top of the wall. Wow, that's really impressive. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.